Right, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mr. Kerbal from Grange Primary School, and we've had a fabulous afternoon at Grange Primary School because we've had Neil Zetter in, who is a published poet, award-winning poet. He's done a fantastic performance assembly for Key Stage 1, EYFS, and for Key Stage 2. And actually, I just got to say, there was a bit of adult participation as well. We really, really enjoyed it. I highly recommend it. Now, we all know our school stuff is all about the CC way. Let me see if I can just get that. That just happens to be there. It's probably showing backwards because of the camera. But we all know the CC way. Confidence and consideration, if you get the balance of those powers. But we start with confidence. We've got to be our very best. We've got to believe that we're worthy, and it doesn't matter what other people are saying about us. We've got to stay true to ourselves, and we've got to live our best lives and make good choices. And Neil read a poem that he has composed, and it just resonated. So I don't think Neil knew the CC way before he got into Grange, but clearly we're aligned over here. So highly recommend Neil's poems. Here we go, especially for Grange.
Hi, this is called B, and it's from my new book, The Shape of Rainbows. So it's all about confidence. Be a lion, not a mouse. Be a castle, not a house. Be a banquet, not a lunch. Be the pick of every bunch. Be an ocean, not a stream. Don't be the milk, but be the cream. Be a boulder, not a stone. Be unique and not a clone. Be a tall tree, not a twig. Be gigantic, not just big. Be a yes, not no or might. And let your confidence ignite. That's what it's all about, confidence. Thank you.
I love that, Neil. And actually, I'm going to just add one line to that because we always say, and we finish off every assembly at Grange with, be great, be Grange. There we go.
Excellent. Oh, that's great.